18. Talking about weekend plans.
Any plans for the weekend?
I'm thinking of going to the beach on Saturday.
Sounds fun. The weather is supposed to be nice.
Yeah, I'm hoping to swim and relax by the shore.
I might go hiking on Sunday. There's a trail I want to explore.
Hiking sounds adventurous. Don't forget to stay hydrated.
I'll carry plenty of water and some snacks with me.
Perfect. We should compare photos from our weekends afterward. 19. Talking about pets. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Luna. She's adorable.
I've always wanted a pet. Cats are so independent.
They are, and they can be really affectionate too.
How do you take care of Luna's grooming?
I brush her fur regularly and take her to the vet for checkups.
That's responsible pet ownership. Maybe I'll adopt a pet someday.
It can be a rewarding experience, but it's also a big commitment.
20. Talking about future goals. What are your plans for the future?
I'm studying to become a doctor. I want to help people.
That's a noble goal. It must be a lot of hard work.
It is, but I'm passionate about it. How about you?
I'm working towards opening my own business someday.
Entrepreneurship sounds exciting. What kind of business?
I'm thinking of starting a small cafe with a focus on organic food.
That's a great idea, especially with the growing health trend.
I hope it will make a positive impact on the community.
I hope it will make a positive impact on the community.
21. Discussing favorite books.
Have you read any good books recently?
Yes, I just finished a fantasy novel called The Enchanted Realm.
Oh, I've heard of that one. How did you like it?
I loved it. The world, building, and characters were amazing.
I'm currently reading a mystery novel called The Client Witness.
Mystery novels can be so captivating. What's it about?
It's about a detective solving a complex murder case.
That sounds intriguing. Do you enjoy reading mysteries?
Definitely. I enjoy trying to solve the puzzle along with the detective.
I might check it out after I'm done with this fantasy series.
Let me know what you think when you do.
22. Talking about favorite movies. Do you have a favorite movie genre?
I'm a fan of science fiction films. How about you?
I love romantic comedies. They always make me smile.
Romantic comedies can be quite heartwarming. Any favorites?
The Proposal and Crazy, Stupid, Love are among my top picks.
I've seen The Proposal. It's quite funny. What's it about?
It's about a woman who convinces her assistant to marry her.
That sounds like a hilarious premise. I'll have to watch it.
You won't be disappointed. Let me know if you need more suggestions. 23. Planning a weekend getaway.
I was thinking of going on a short trip this weekend.
That sounds like a great idea. Where are you thinking of going?
I've heard there's a charming town a few hours away.
That sounds lovely. What do they have to offer?
They have beautiful hiking trails and a historic downtown area.
Count me in. I can't use a break from the city.
Great. I'll look up accommodations and let you know.
Should we pack some snacks and a camera for the hike?
Definitely, and maybe a map of the trails as well.
I'm really looking forward to it. Thanks for suggesting it, Oliver. 24. Talking about languages.
Do you speak any other languages besides English?
I'm fluent in Spanish. My parents are from Spain.
That's impressive. I've always wanted to learn a second language.
It's a rewarding experience. Have you tried learning one?
I've dabbled in French, but I never got very far.
French is beautiful. Maybe you could give it another shot.
I might. How did you become fluent in Spanish?
I practiced with my family and took some classes in school.
I'll consider taking some classes too. Thanks for the encouragement.
25. Discussing favorite foods. What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I absolutely love Italian food. Pasta and pizza are my weaknesses.
Italian cuisine is delicious. I'm a fan of Mexican food myself.
Tacos and guacamole, right?
Exactly, and I enjoy cooking Mexican dishes at home too.
That sounds fun. Do you have a favorite recipe?
I make a mean batch of chicken, enchiladas.
Now I'm craving some enchiladas. We should have a food night.
That's a fantastic idea. Let's plan it for next weekend. 26. Talking about travel experiences.
Have you been on any memorable trips recently?
Yes, I went on a backpacking adventure in the mountains.
That sounds amazing. How was the experience?
It was challenging but incredibly rewarding. The views were breathtaking.
I've always wanted to go on a mountain. Hike. Any tips?
Make sure to pack light but bring essential gear like sturdy shoes.
Noted, I recently visited a coastal town and enjoyed the beach.
Beach vacations are so relaxing. Which town did you visit?
I went to a small town called Blue Cove. It was charming.
Exploring new places is always exciting. Where to next?
I'm considering a road trip to visit several national parks.
That sounds like an incredible adventure. Enjoy your travels.
27. Discussing weekend activities. What are you up to this weekend?
I'm planning to attend a local music festival on Saturday.
That sounds like a lot of fun. Who's performing?
There's a mix of indie bands and some well-known artists.
I might tag along if that's okay. I love live music.
Of course, the more the merrier. We can grab some food too.
Sounds like a perfect plan. On Sunday, I'll be gardening.
Gardening can be so relaxing. What do you grow?
I have a variety of flowers and some herbs like basil and mint.
Fresh herbs are a great addition to any home-cooked meal.
Absolutely. Let's catch up after the festival and share stories. 28. Talking about daily routines.
What's your typical daily routine like?
I usually start my day with a workout and a healthy breakfast.
That's a good way to kickstart the day. Then what?
I head to work, where I spend most of my day.
And after work?
I like to unwind by reading or going for a walk in the park.
Reading is a great way to relax. What genre do you prefer?
I enjoy a mix of fiction and self-improvement books.
That's a balanced approach. I often watch a movie in the evenings.
Movies can be a nice way to wind down to. Any favorites?
I'm a fan of action and adventure films. They're so thrilling.
We all need some excitement in our lives, right? 29. Talking about seasons.
Which season do you enjoy the most?
I love autumn. The changing colors and crisp air are beautiful.
Autumn is indeed picturesque. I prefer summer for the warmth.
Summer is perfect for outdoor activities and vacations.
Agreed. Do you have any special tradition for each season?
In winter, my family and I build snowmen and go ice skating.
That sounds like a lot of fun. I associate spring with gardening.
Spring is great for planting and watching nature come to life.
Each season has its own charm and unique experiences.
That's the beauty of living in a place with distinct seasons. 30. Discussing favorite sports. Are you a fan of any sports?
I love playing and watching soccer. It's so exciting.
Soccer is a popular sport worldwide. Do you play on a team?
I used to play on a local team, but now I just play casually.
I enjoy swimming and occasionally go to the pool.
Swimming is a fantastic workout. Do you have any favorite strokes?
I prefer freestyle and backstroke. They're the most comfortable for me.
I've always wanted to try swimming. Maybe I'll give it a shot.
It's never too late to learn. Swimming can be a lifelong skill. 31. Discussing technology.
How do you feel about modern technology?
I think it's amazing how much technology has advanced.
Agreed. It has changed the way we lived and communicate.
Definitely, I can't imagine life without smartphones.
They've become such an essential part of our daily routines.
And what about social media? Do you use it often?
I do, but I try to limit my usage too. Stay present in the moment.
That's a good approach. I also enjoy streaming movies online.
Streaming platforms offer a wide variety of entertainment.
True. Do you have any concerns about technology's impact?
I think it's important to find a balance and disconnect sometimes.
I agree, it's all about using technology mindfully.